Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to unmute stories in Instagram. Let's get started. There are a lot of ways to do it. I will show you all of them. So first open your Instagram app and click on search icon on the bottom. Then search for the person you want to unmute stories. After you have found the person, click on it. It will open the person profile and then click on following button. It will show you a lot of options. Click on mute. After this, it will show you 3 types of content: posts, stories, and notes. And the one that is enabled, click on it to disable it. Now, I will show you another way of doing it. Now, go back to your home. After this, click on bottom right profile button. Then, click on top right 3 lines button. Now, swipe down a little and then click on muted accounts. Then it will show you all the accounts you have muted. Click on unmute on the right side of the account. It will show what type of content you have muted. Click on that button on to unmute that content. And that's how you unmute stories in Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.